guys, I want to quickly share with you something that just keeps you organized. This is my 10th grade Principles of Cosmetology, or Introduction to Cosmetology in the morning class, and this is my afternoon class, Principles of Cosmetology. I have bigger binders. I'm going to switch them out. It's just kind of what I had. I had started this and then I did not finish it, but I need to get back to it because I would pass things out or would do things that I just pile, and it's in a folder somewhere in a file cabinet, and that does not work. So, out of the way, in the corner, in a random spot of the classroom, I have these open, and I have a little tab of where we currently are. So, this is my binder, and I learned this from when I worked at Paul Mitchell, Miss Mitzi Massey, cutest little lady, and she did this with the curriculum. She did core. It was 6 weeks of core at Paul Mitchell, and all of her handouts were in here. And so before a class started, a section of new students, she would take her binder, go to the copy, and make copies, and then it was amazing. So this is where I learned that from, so shout out to Miss Massey if she's watching. Alright, so in here I just have my navigation, my Cooter little resources there. Anyway, so I've got my Principles of Cosmetology page, got my calendar, and then here are some of my Quick Start journal that the students get. This is the Theory, Questions, and Vocabulary journal. This is the Exit Ticket journal, Teachers Pay Teachers. And then, I didn't make those. And then my coloring page journal that I give the students for muscle memory and practice. Then the project journal they get for a variety of projects and field trips that we do, inspiration pages. Then here we have our henna packet that I'm revamping, and then we have our fashion packet when I teach them fashion. And then we have our face painting packet here with different faces. Then we have our salon business packet that I'm absolutely revamping this year. And this is the handout that has all of the facial. This is our cut and paste journal. We cut this stuff, paste it on our journal. That looks like, where's my journal? Where's the journal for this grade level? Oh, here it is. This is the journal, okay, and it has like all of our, you've seen this. I have a video of that. So that's there. We're going to totally revamp that, so they have not gotten the new copy of that. Then the makeup and brow and lash packet that I revamped. And then here's there's the journals that they get to be in school year. They have these in their binder. These are things that handouts, things, worksheets, examples that I have and I keep to keep me up to date and on task. And if I need to go back, what do we do when? And in what order, and then next year I can look through this and say, okay, I did this the first week of school, and then I did this, and then I did that, and then these are my examples that I pull out of here, okay? So I have my freshman orientation, my welcome back packet, styrofoam project for our Houston Fashion Week alien head, the little cardboard guy where you describe yourself, skills you say information, hour information, community service log, handouts they give about Letterman jackets, and UIL. The page I have them fill out for their birthdays. One year we did ACE, little gift tags, Skills USA, TDR rulebook application, the personality self-assessment. One year we did a cut and paste, so I have an example. One year we did the About Me bag, show and tell, so I have those examples there. We did our shield, our student classroom agreement. And then here we have our Barbicide certification. And then this is where I'm at. So I have been putting in here the things that we have done so far that I've handed out that are paper, okay? And actually I do have this in here, so I don't need to put that in there anymore. So I'm going to keep this open. And the next thing, I have shoe protectors in the back. So the next thing that I do in class, the next handout, I'm going to put it in here. So that way I just flip it and put what's next. Flip it and put what's next. And flip it and put what's next. So this idea I got off of Miss Massey from Paul Mitchell. But the other person I found ideas from as far as putting, I'm going to move this way because it's kind of hard to see. But as far as putting examples, as a science teacher, I was being nosy while I was doing STAR testing. And so this one here is a big old sheet that I did, and I had the students do a foldable. And so they wrote down notes for infection control. Okay, and so I kept a student sample that I thought was really good, or I keep mine as well. I didn't like mine, I liked hers. And then I did this one in 2019, and I did my infection control. I need to put the one from last year because last one was better. But this is the little handout, the little booklet where they write the notes. So this is, if I'm ever teaching infection control, I look and see, and I'm like, oh, well, I want to do this one this year. I want to do this one this year. And then that way I can have, a good layout of what I'm doing. Field trips and events, I have the flyers here. That way I know what we've done in the past. These are in the past. So I can, say, okay, well, around this week we did this, or this was Spirit Week, so look out for it, or it's coming, or this is, kind of just to keep me organized. And so this is previous years. We're not there yet. We're right here currently in class. So I keep these open like so, here to the back of the room. Have my extra shoe protectors in the back, and I will put my papers in here. So this is my original copy with my student work or my samples of what it is that we're doing. I think I need to put this in here. I'm not sure. I'm going to leave it there. But I just want to share that with you guys. Hopefully that will help some of you guys stay organized. And anytime you want to talk to somebody or talk to an appraiser, or you want to do like a show and tell or open house, you have something that's tangible to show students, parents, or administrators or colleagues, hey, look, this is what we've done so far, and this is what we've done in the future. And then next year when you pull this out, you just start from the beginning. Okay, make sure I did this last year. Would I want to do it again? Yes, pull it out, make a copy. Or, right, so you don't have it in a file cabinet, then it's, you can put, it's portable. You can't move around a file cabinet. So this is also, just to give you samples and idea. Well, this year I'm not going to do this bag. I'm going to do something different. And so that's just definitely a great way to stay organized and just have all of your stuff in one place. Takes up a little bit of space, takes up a little bit of time, but it's super beneficial. So just wanted to share that with you. Maybe it helps somebody, maybe it doesn't, but just wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.